शुक्रिया मोहतरम सर। मैं इस बिल की मुखालिफत में खड़ा हूँ। इस बिल में सेक्शन 5 को तरमीम करके ये बताया जा रहा है सरकार की तरफ से कि स्कोप, नेचर, कैटेगरी ऑफ द ऑफिसर्स, एम्प्लॉइज को वो लोग खुद तकर्रुर कर सकते। बट इफ यू सी सेक्शन 5(1) सर, ये दिस इज जस्ट अ कॉस्मेटिक अमेंडमेंट बिकॉज सेक्शन 5(1) सेज the national authority can exercise this power only with the prior approval of central government. Now this greatly undermines the purpose of the amendment. So basically there is no decentralization. Sir, this bill fails to set minimum standards and conditions so as to ensure that it is not filled by bureaucrats with limited knowledge of disaster relief and mitigation. Sir, sections in 18(1), section CA is being added. Now it requires that the district plan has to be prepared in accordance with the national and state plans, sir, but at the hyper-local level, local authorities should retain the power to shape specific measures for disaster relief, and local plan should complement the national plans and not the other way around. Sir, the current definition of disaster and disaster risk is very restrictive, sir. It does not include some of the major national disasters like heat waves and pollution. Sir, globally, heat waves are accepted as climate-related disaster, giving the ramification on ecosystem, human health. Sir, thousands of people die in our country because of heat wave. This should be included. Death of heat wave should be included in the definition, sir. The government of India, our foremost medical research institute like ICMR, sir. A study done by Pandey and Anamikas found that 16 to 70 lakh deaths were attributable to air pollution in India in 2019. So this definition of disaster should include air pollution and heat wave, sir. Sir, I request the government to examine this. Our country should have a debate that why can't we start our academic year in mid-August? Because of climate change reality now. Because of climate change, heat waves, floods, heavy rainfall, sir, are happening in month of July, August, and sir, this we can save human lives and economic loss, sir. Sir, another important point: there's always a lack in distribution of SDRF funds for 3 months to a year, sir, after the time of disaster. And after the flood is announced, after relief is